There are people who do not work and never show their face, but make more money than you and I do combined. And what if I told you you could do it too, with no upfront cost? Sounds ridiculous, right? But that, my friend, is called YouTube automation. I'll teach you how to do this yourself, from creating the video all the way to publishing it for free. Well, it costs a sub, so just hit that subscribe button. Anyways, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a business model where you create videos without ever showing your face and automate the whole process. But in the beginning, I would advise you to create the videos yourself before outsourcing it. YouTube automation requires script writing, video editing, thumbnails, and voiceovers. Once the process is automated, all you have to do is think of a video idea and take all the profits after everyone is paid. And if you decide to do all the work yourself, well, you don't have anyone to pay. Sounds easy, right? Maybe even too good to be true. Well, creating a successful YouTube automation channel requires a lot of time and effort in the beginning. You'll be working for pennies. But once you create a gallery of videos, then the big bucks start to roll in. The first step is choosing a niche. Or niche. Anyways, story-driven videos are the easiest to keep the audience attention. And you need to pair with a good title and topic. Channels like these are great examples of story-driven channels. It can be any topic that targets a big audience and is interesting. But make sure you choose something you're interested in, trust me. Different niches make different amounts of money per 1,000 views. Most niches see around 3 to 7 per 1,000 views. If you're looking strictly for money, finance-related videos have the highest RPM of over 10. To brainstorm video topics, use vidIQ's keyword tool to see if people are interested in the topic and how much competition there is. In theory, you want to pick a video with high demand and low competition. Because think about it, the less competition there is, the easier it is for you to rank in YouTube search. You can use my affiliate link down below if you want to try vidIQ. After you have a video idea, brainstorm some titles for your video. You want to make your title spark interest with the viewer. And you want to include some keywords in there for SEO purposes. SEO is search engine optimization, and it helps you rank your videos on YouTube search. Next, your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is crucial because it determines if people will even click on your video in the first place. If you want to learn this skill yourself, just practice making thumbnails and scavenge YouTube to see what other professional thumbnails look like. Over time, you'll get really good at this. If you want a channel that's fully automated from the get-go, have a professional make all your thumbnails. You can find people to make your thumbnails pretty easily, as this is a technology age and everything is online. But if you really have no idea where to start, Fiverr is a good start. Just type in what you want and boom, thousands of results. Next, you need a script and a voiceover. You can do this yourself or just hire someone on Fiverr. Using AI voices may seem like a great idea, but in reality, they sound unnatural and YouTube might slam down the copyright hammer.
Become a great way to supplement your income or even
And if you record it yourself, just remember to keep your mouth close to the mic. That's it. And if your audio isn't the best, just make up with your script and video editing. People want value from your video, so if you're lacking in one area, it needs to be over the top in the next. Next, scripts. You can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm scripts, but you'll need to edit it and make it more human-like. ChatGPT is a great way to help you think of ideas, but it can't do the whole 8 Mile. A basic outline to follow when writing a script is to start with a hook, then promise the viewer something, then deliver on that promise. That's important. Deliver on the promise. Then end with a call to action. It's a win-win. They understand what the video is about from the get-go, aka the hook, then you deliver. And if they want more, then they'll subscribe. Next, editing the video. Not a lot of people have this skill, and it might be the hardest one yet. But luckily, again, you can find people on Upwork and Fiverr. But finding someone who does a good job and takes time may cost a lot of money. If you want to learn how to edit videos in a way that keeps the audience attention, subscribe, because I'll be covering that. But I don't want to leave you guys hanging, so to quickly explain, you should add text to the screen and just change the screen a lot to keep the viewer engaged and let them have a clear picture of what's going on. I would advise you to change the screen every 5 seconds or less. Well, how much money will you actually take home? The cost and profit margins depend on what you can automate and what you can do yourself. Automating an entire channel from the beginning is very expensive and might run your pockets into a drought. You need to find a balance of what you can do yourself and what you can automate. But as you grow, you can automate more and more processes. Now that you know what it takes to make a successful YouTube automation channel, do you think you can do it? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, subscribe and like my video to see more of my videos and invest your time for knowledge, then later your knowledge for stupid amounts of cash.